Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to record a credit card payment in QuickBooks Online. First, log into your QuickBooks Online account. Once you are on the dashboard, look at the top left corner of the screen and click on the plus new button. This button lets you create new transactions in QuickBooks. After you click plus new, a menu will open. Under the other column, select Pay Down Credit Card. This option is specifically designed for recording credit card payments, so it is the correct choice when you are paying off your credit card balance. Next, you will see a payment form. Start by choosing the credit card account that you are paying. Make sure you select the correct credit card from the list, especially if you have more than one credit card set up in QuickBooks. Then, enter the amount you paid. After that, enter the date of the payment. Be sure the date matches the actual date the payment was made, so your records stay accurate. Now select the bank account that you used to make the payment. This tells QuickBooks where the money is coming from. Once you have entered all the details and checked that everything is correct, click Save and Close. Your credit card balance will decrease, and the payment will be recorded in your bank account. Thanks for watching.